It's AumSum time!
What if the sun disappeared?
We would need a lot of flashlights.
No. The sun's enormous mass and gravitational power locks the planets in their orbits. If the sun disappeared, the Earth would fly off in a straight line into space. Earth would collapse into darkness only after 8 minutes, as sunlight takes about 8 minutes to reach Earth. Moon would disappear as it doesn't produce light of its own. Plants would die, as no sunlight means no photosynthesis. Within a week, Earth's temperature would drop below 0 degrees Fahrenheit, dropping to negative 100 degrees Fahrenheit within a year, making it impossible for us to survive. Ocean surfaces would freeze, however. Water in the interior would stay liquid, due to heat from the Earth's core. Only microorganisms who don't require photosynthesis would survive by converting coarse heat into the energy they need. Thus, without the sun, humans wouldn't exist. What if Mercury disappeared?
Simple. Use magic to make it reappear.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if Mercury disappeared, the smallest planet in our solar system would be missed by the other planets. Secondly, if Mercury disappeared, our sun to whom Mercury is the closest may dearly miss him. Thirdly, if Mercury disappeared, the fastest moving planet in our solar system would be sorely missed. Fourthly, if Mercury disappeared, the most cratered planet in our solar system would be missed by geologists. Fifthly, if Mercury disappeared, the second hottest planet in our solar system after Venus would no longer be visible. Lastly, if Mercury disappeared, the Roman god Mercurius, after whom Mercury is named, would surely be disappointed. What if Venus disappeared?
Oh no! I was just planning a trip to Venus.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if Venus disappeared, the Roman goddess of love and beauty after whom Venus is named would surely be disappointed. Secondly, as Venus is similar in size and structure to Earth, it is also referred to as Earth's twin. If Venus disappeared, planet Earth would be one sad lot. Thirdly, if Venus disappeared, the hottest planet in our solar system would no longer be visible. Fourthly, Venus was the first planet on which a human spacecraft landed successfully. If Venus disappeared, space fans would be one sad lot. Fifthly, if Venus disappeared, one of the brightest objects in the sky, popularly known as morning star and evening star, would no longer be visible. Lastly, if Venus disappeared, a favorite planet of 20th century science fiction writers would no longer be visible. What if the Earth disappeared?
No problem. I already booked a flat on Mars.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if Earth disappeared, people may suddenly start buying houses on Mars. Secondly, if Earth disappeared, people may have to get used to living in space for a long time. Thirdly, if Earth disappeared, sale of spacesuits would skyrocket. Fourthly, if Earth disappeared, using money to get favors would not be possible anymore. Lastly, if Earth disappeared, Moon would have to find a different planet to rotate around. What if the Moon disappeared?
AumSum the Great will start shining and take its place.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, our nights would definitely be darker. Due to this, night predators like owls would find it very difficult to hunt at night. But this would be great news for stargazers as there is no interference from moonlight. Secondly, as the moon's gravity is no longer there to hold the Earth, it would rotate faster and thus our days will be much shorter than 24 hours. Craters on Moon are a proof that it has protected Earth from thousands of asteroids and comets. This no longer will be the case. With the moon missing, tides in our oceans will be much smaller as only sun will slightly influence them. Changing tides will also influence the global weather patterns. Finally, moon's disappearance might tilt Earth's axis drastically, causing extreme changes in seasons and climate. What if Mars disappeared?
Yikes! I was going to be the first one to land on it.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if Mars disappeared, the Roman god of war, after whom Mars is named, would surely be disappointed. Secondly, Mars is known as the red planet because of the presence of large amount of iron oxide in its rocks and soil. If Mars disappeared, geologists would be one sad lot. Thirdly, if Mars disappeared, Olympus Mons, a volcano which is considered to be the highest mountain in our solar system, would also disappear. Fourthly, gravity is weak on Mars. One could jump about 3 times higher on it. If Mars disappeared, gymnasts would be one sad lot. Fifthly, if Mars disappeared, many rovers sent by humans on Mars would also disappear. Lastly, if Mars disappeared, the dream of many humans of actually putting a foot on Mars would never come true. What if Jupiter never existed?
No problem. I will give company to Saturn, Jupiter's lonely neighbor.
Oh, AumSum. As per Roman mythology, Jupiter is the god of thunder, lightning, and storms. It is the largest planet in our solar system, and its mass is about 2.5 times the total combined weight of all the other planets in our solar system. Now, if Jupiter would have never existed, it is safe to say that even we would not have existed. Why? Because some scientists believe that during the initial stages of the formation of our solar system, Jupiter's inward migration towards the Sun and then subsequent outward migration away from the Sun and towards Saturn played a vital role in the formation of Mercury, Venus, and Earth. Also, since ages, Jupiter has been protecting Earth from collisions with large asteroids and comets. Lastly, more than 70 moons of Jupiter would have wandered along the solar system as orphans. What if Saturn disappeared?
Oh no! Now how will I play with its rings?
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if Saturn disappeared, the second largest planet in our solar system would no longer be visible. Secondly, if Saturn disappeared, spacecraft launched by humans to research Saturn might have to head somewhere else. Thirdly, if Saturn disappeared, the most stunning, spectacular-looking planet in our solar system would no longer be visible. Fourthly, if Saturn disappeared, a planet which has featured in many movies as well as science fiction stories would be missed by many. Fifthly, if Saturn disappeared, the 82 moons of Saturn would also start drifting away in space. Lastly, if Saturn disappeared, the Roman god of agriculture after whom Saturn is named would surely be disappointed. What if Uranus disappeared?
Don't worry. I will get it back.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if Uranus disappeared, the planet famously known as the sideways planet, as it rotates on its side, would be missed by many. Secondly, Uranus was discovered by William Herschel in 1781. If Uranus disappeared, his descendants would be one sad lot. Thirdly, Uranus was the first planet to be found using a telescope. If Uranus disappeared, telescope lovers would be one sad lot. Fourthly, Uranus has 27 known moons. If Uranus disappeared, they would have to start looking for a new planet. Fifthly, Uranus is a giant ice planet, nearly 4 times larger than Earth. If Uranus disappeared, ice lovers would be one sad lot. Lastly, if Uranus disappeared, the Greek god of the sky after whom Uranus is named would surely be disappointed. What if Neptune disappeared?
I have Neptune's cell phone number. Let me call.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if Neptune disappeared, the most distant planet in our solar system would be sorely missed by other planets. Secondly, Neptune is the only planet in our solar system not visible to the naked eye. If Neptune disappeared, space fans would be one sad lot. Thirdly, NASA's Voyager 2 is the only spacecraft which came up close to Neptune. If Neptune disappeared, other space agencies would be very disappointed. Fourthly, if Neptune disappeared, the Roman god of the sea, after whom Neptune is named, would surely be disappointed. Fifthly, Neptune is considered to be the windiest planet. If Neptune disappeared, scientists wishing to study it would be one sad lot. Lastly, Neptune has 14 known moons. If Neptune disappeared, they would have to travel a long distance to find a new planet. What if Pluto disappeared?
Oh no, he was my best friend.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if Pluto disappeared, Pluto, the largest dwarf planet in our solar system, will be missed by other dwarf planets. Secondly, New Horizons is the only spacecraft to have studied Pluto up close. If Pluto disappeared, other space agencies would surely be disappointed. Thirdly, Pluto is about 3.6 billion miles away from the Sun. If Pluto disappeared, our Sun would still miss him. Fourthly, if Pluto disappeared, the heart-shaped glacier present on it will be missed by Pluto's fans. Fifthly, Pluto's largest moon, Charon, is similar in size to Pluto. If Pluto disappeared, this unique and spectacular sight will be missed by many scientists. Lastly, if Pluto disappeared, the Roman god of the underworld after whom Pluto is named would surely be disappointed.